Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to find the group ID to use in Power Automate. In this scenario, you want to create a flow that sends a message to a channel, but the problem is the team you want to send the message to is not in the drop-down list of team names. You need to add the team ID, but how do you find it? I am going to navigate to Teams, where you will see a list of teams that I belong to. This is a demo environment, so there are not that many to choose from. I want to send the message to the Power Automate Demos team. Click the three dots next to the team name and select Get Link to Team. Copy the link from the dialog box that pops up. Paste the link into a Word document, text file, or whatever makes sense to you. For many of us, this URL can look like a jumble of letters and numbers that is not easy to decipher. The thing that can cause some confusion is Power Automate is asking for a team ID, but it is actually called a group ID in the URL. Notice in the middle of the URL, you see group ID and an equal sign. Copy from the first character after the equal sign until the last character before the ampersand. Now I will jump over to Power Automate, where I already staged a flow. I will click the drop-down next to Team. Because I only have a few teams in my test environment, they all show up. However, if you are a member of several teams, you may not see a full list. So in this example, let's pretend that Power Automate Demos is not on the list, and I will just copy in the group ID from the URL. Notice that I did not click Enter Custom Value, so I received a message that said no values matching your search. This is because Power Automate is looking for a team name that is already on the list. This time I will click Enter Custom Value, and now the group ID is recognized as a valid value for this field. Now click the drop down for the channel, and it should show all the channels that are available. You can continue creating the rest of your flow. If you found this quick tip useful, please consider giving the video a like. It really helps the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.